So here we go. Now that it's here, it's right now, you guys. Comment down below, seeing what you want. Subscribe. I would get at least one subscriber. And yeah. And let's get at least one like on this video, you guys. And yeah. So right now we're just got over a supercell. And we'll show a clip once it's done. And yeah. But yeah, there's like people. People over there that are up there. Right. Like I said, and yeah, we might be a little bit. Okay. On Madden NFL 17. Okay, bye.
Hey, why don't you go outside and record?
I'm recording this. Mom, my Wi-Fi ain't working, and I don't know why.
Because it's bad. I don't know. Our router maybe like that.
See those clowns? Yeah. Wipe some of this off. Okay, it's a little better. Okay, let's go outside real quick.
I know we were driving home and I was like, holy shit.
I know there was a tornado watch that was last year too.
Yeah. I think the last tornado warning that was in Bismarck here was 4 years ago. I think. I don't remember seeing or having another one since then.
Once this, I should go on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I should make YouTube videos and storms
Yeah.
and
Just be a
stuff.
little storm chaser.
Speaking of that, I should download a screen recorder and make a Clash Royale video. Should I?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna go online.
Says your thunderstorms are located along the line extending from 7 miles north of Minogan, east of us, 5 miles north of Solon, down south of moving east 40. 6-mile wind gusts.
That's nothing.
Which is cool. Alright with that.
I just like recording stuff. Like, it's so cool. Like the sky.
Yeah.
Are you recording now?
Huh? No, I'm recording.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna make another YouTube video.
S4?
Then I'm gonna make
Yeah, I
another.
think so.
Quinn, I'm gonna make another YouTube video on that Madden 17 game on my Xbox.
I'm gonna go make a video right now. I just need to download a screen recorder.
Yeah.
Just rain down pour, right?
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful flowers over
What's your
there.
YouTube channel?
It's gonna be
I'll subscribe to you.
Braxton Plays.
I just need one more subscriber and I'm at 100.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like, I'll try and subscribe to you.
Mhm.
Yeah, I know you have like 99 subscribers,
I
dude.
know, right?
Like, I liked your videos, but like I don't know how to subscribe. Like, well, I know how to subscribe, but it's just gonna take a while, and I don't want to I'll do it at one point. But yeah. And we are gonna end this video, so bye.